Hello friends, it's me Rohith and welcome to part 2 of Cat and the Bear. In the last video, I explained the cat and the bear walking and the bear cone. In this video, you guys are going to see me do the rest of the game. Let's start with the cat jumping part. First, let's take when space key pressed. I'm going to make it jump when I press spacebar. So, when space key pressed, change y by 10. I'm gonna use repeat block. And then change x by 10, repeat. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did at the beginning. Except that we need to change y by 10 into minus 10. Okay, so the jumping is a little bit weird now. When you jump near the edge, the cat goes down below the floor level we need. Below the y level we have. So instead of repeat 10, we're gonna use repeat until. Repeat until the y position is smaller than minus 100. Y position is minus 100. So let's see now. As you can see down here, when I jump, it goes down to 110, minus 110. So we wanted to come back to minus 100. Go to x position, y minus 100. When I jump, it comes back to minus 100. So now there's a full jump. But this jump doesn't look that realistic. It just goes up, slides to the right, and comes back down. So we want to make it jump in a curved manner. To make it curve, we need to make it change. So it's change y by 10. It needs to be changed x by 10 as well. And then we need this repeat block, so change x by 10 again. And then when it comes back down, it changes y by 10 and change x by 10. So let's see how it is now. Okay, so the part where it glides is going a little bit far. So instead of putting repeat, let's just put it as a normal change x by 10 block. So now let's see how it is. Can it jump over the bear? Okay, now it can't. We need more height, so let's try 15. This should be just 10. And then minus 15. Minus 15. 15. Can it jump higher than the bear? Okay, yes, it can jump higher than the bear, but it's jumping very high, so I'm just gonna put 13, 13, 13, 13. Okay, it's jumping in a perfect way. It has jumped curved and it's high enough to dodge the bear. Let's make it more interesting by adding a sound effect when the cat jumps. Sound. start sound meow when space key pressed. So whenever it jumps, it's gonna give a sound meow. Now I'm gonna make the bear eat the cat. Okay, so we need to do if condition again. If touching bear walking, hide. Looks. So now when it touches the bear, it's gonna hide. And we're gonna give a sound for the bear when it eats a cat. Sound. Customs. Oh yeah, and the cat will not show up because we haven't done a show. Let's show. So first it'll show, and when the bear eats the cat, it'll go hide. And then I'm gonna pick the sound. It's chomp. I picked this one. Play sound chomp. So I'm gonna just start sound chomp. If touching bear walking, then start sound chomp. And then hide. So when it touches the bear chomps, and then the cat hides. So now I'm gonna make the score show. So for that we need to make a variable. I'm gonna name it score. So the score is 0. The score needs to increase every time the cat jumps and escapes from the bear. So change score by 10. Change score by 10. And now, finally, we're gonna display their game over screen. First, we need to make a game over screen. So first, let's duplicate this. And then text. Game over. And I'm gonna use this font because I like it, and I'm gonna make it more bigger. It is too big, huh? Okay. Now we need to display the score. If you right click on score, there will be 3 options. Pick large readout, so that will become like this. And then I'm gonna type in your scores, and I'm gonna change the font. Go to Sprite. Go to the cat. If the cat touches to the bear, we have done this. The cat will hide, and we need to pop the game over screen on. So looks. So switch backdrop to backdrop. Forest 2, and we also need to put switch backdrop to forest 1 in the beginning. And we need to hide the score. So hide variable score. We need to make the score show when the game over screen pops up. So show variable score. And we need to make this all the sprites stop. So for that we need to do stop all. And I got eaten and the game is over and there's nothing in the screen except the game over screen. This is how I did my game. Scratch is a pretty fun way to learn programming, isn't it? So give it a try and make your own games. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.